So throughout this course, we are going to use an online spreadsheet program called StatCrunch. So the first technology box is to enter or upload data into StatCrunch. So the first thing says if we want to enter our own data that you don't have a file for, you would go to statcrunch.com and log in, which I have already done. And once here, you're going to click Open StatCrunch. And when you do that, a spreadsheet will open, in which case you can enter new variable names and enter data into columns here. For much of the work that we do in this class, you will actually have data files that you can upload. So I'm going to go back to the beginning here. So again, once you log in, so for the examples and homework problems in this book, you have a file in Blackboard called Chapter 2 data file, and there's one also for the homework. So you can just save that file to your desktop, which I've already done. So then you can just go to statcrunch.com and log in, which again, I've already done that as well. So now once we're here, we can click My StatCrunch. And under My Data, we're going to select a file on my computer. And here we're going to click Browse. And I saved this Chapter 2 data file to my desktop, so I'm going to open that. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down and click Load File. And we'll see all of the data that is mentioned throughout Chapter 2 is preloaded into a spreadsheet for us. So here's the car type data that we just started working with all of the car types for those 50 data points listed there. So we don't need to worry about typing in those 50 data points. So now these files are automatically saved in your My Data. So the next time that you come in and you log in to StatCrunch, you can go into My StatCrunch and My Data, and then any files that you have saved there are here. So here's this Chapter 2 data file, so I just click that and it opens and that data is automatically there for me again. So you don't need to upload that data file every time you need to use it. Once it's uploaded, it is automatically saved for you to use throughout the rest of the course in this particular chapter.